guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a Nykaa haul. Actually I have damaged my pocket a lot this month, especially because it's sale season and also it's end of 2020 and you will get a lot of clearance sale. So I purchased a lot of products from various brands. So first one is Nykaa. This is the second Nykaa haul consecutively this month, I know, but the sale prices are so good that I couldn't resist purchasing certain things. So without any further delay, let's straight away get into the video. According to the channel analytics, 90% of the people viewing my videos are not subscribed, so please do help me by hitting that subscribe button. And also, if you like my videos, make sure you hit that like button down below. It's a kind of a little bit of encouragement, and also it will let me know that you guys are interested in such hauls and such kind of videos so that I can make more of it. So I know this intro was long as, so without any further delay, let's straight away dive. So before unboxing the skincare, let me show you few makeup items I have bought. So the first item, so this is Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. So it's in the shade Warm Caramel. Actually, I wanted to try an affordable foundation, and Lakme's first foundation I tried was the Invisible Finish foundation, which was very much pocket friendly, similar to that, but the formula wise the coverage is better than the Invisible Matte, and also it lasts long and it's very soft onto your skin. This is kind of a quick fix kind of product because you do not have to use a separate primer when you're using this product. I'm going to do a very in-depth review on this particular product, including the wear test, so please stay subscribed so that you can watch it when I post it. You get around 25 ml of product and it costs rupees 475, but your girl always buys things only on discount. So I got this for rupees 299. It was a great price slash. The next makeup item is also from Lakme, and this is the Lakme 9 to 5 CC cream, and I bought the shade Almond. This is how the CC cream looks like. It's in the shade Almond. Let me show you the shade. So this is the shade Almond. It's one of the darkest shade out of the three. If you're planning to buy this particular product, make sure it does match your skin. Otherwise it's gonna leave a whitish cast because the shade range is very bad, especially in the CC cream. And this is a new addition. I think Almond is a new addition. There needs to be more deeper shades. So if you're of my skin tone, I think you can go for Almond. I'm NC42, but if you're more than NC42, I would suggest skip this product. So the reason I bought this product is if suppose I'm getting out for a shopping or something, I want something light. This has some moisturizer, it has SPF, and it also has a little bit of tint. It is not of any good coverage. It's a little bit of tint which evens out your skin tone. You get around 30 gram of product and it cost rupees 335, but I got it for rupees 250 or something during discount. The next makeup item I have over here is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage. Is 317 Almond. Actually a very full coverage concealer in case you have very deep dark circles and dark kind of acne marks. You want to cover all this. This is the perfect concealer, but the only downside of this concealer is it has very small shade range. I think you have only 4 or 5 shades in this, and this is the last shade, and this goes well perfectly with my skin tone. It is a tad bit lighter due to the undertone it has a little bit of peach undertone. Let me actually swatch this for you. You can see it has a little bit of peach undertone which easily covers your darker under eyes and darker parts. It costs rupees 999 I know it's a very expensive buy, but your girl again buys things on discount. So I got it for rupees 500 flat. So this is not a sponsored video, everything I bought is from my own money, but I have to say this, in Nykaa, L'Oreal comes up with this flash sale where you get any of their items for rupees 500. So it's like a price slash. That time is the best time to purchase L'Oreal items. So this is the Sugar Eye Pencil and it's in the shade Aqua Lung. This is actually number 3. The shade name is Aqua Lung. Let me open and show you the package first. So this is the shade, as you can see. This shade is actually aqua green shade, or also called as turquoise. It's more towards turquoise will be more towards the greenish blue tone, whereas this is more towards a green tone, I could say. So it's a beautiful eyeliner. That's what I'm wearing on my waterline, lower waterline. If you can't see, let me zoom you in. As you can see, this is what I'm wearing in my lower waterline. It's very nice and also smudge proof. Once you apply, after a few seconds it gets set. Once set, it is going to be completely smudge proof. This one retails for rupees 249 and you get 0.25 gram. First of all, sugar, you can rarely find discount on sugar products. That too, maximum it will be 20% discount. But this one I got it on MRP, especially because of the color and the lasting power and also the smudge proof quality of it. I really wanted to try it, so I bought it on MRP. Never my haul is complete without a lip product. So I have 2 lip products here. So let me show you the first one. The first one is from MyGlam and this is their liquid lipstick. So this is the first time I'm trying out a MyGlam product. So let me open and show you the lipstick. This is how the lipstick looks like. And let me show you a swatch. As I already told you, this is the first time I have purchased a MyGlam product, and the color is very pretty. It's more towards a bright chatak pink shade, but it goes well with the deeper skin tone as well. It's that kind of shade. But the only problem I had when I tried this was it was a little bit too drying for my lip. I don't know why, but they say that it has nourishing moringa oil and stuff in this, but it did not nourish my lips. My lips was feeling very chapped and dry. It felt like the lipstick is drinking all the moisture from my lip and making my lip like a Sahara desert. It's literally what I felt. I think it might be because of the cooler months. I'll be thoroughly testing this out and let you know on my Instagram. So you get 3 ml of product and this is for rupees 395. And for rupees I think 300 or something, I'm not sure. I just wanted to try a product from their brand and that is why I preferred trying the liquid lipstick first, but a little bit disappointed with this. But the color payoff is good and the shade is very pretty. Okay, I forgot to tell you the shade name. The shade name is Matrimania, and the last makeup product of this haul is another liquid lipstick. Nothing but the L'Oreal Infallible liquid lipstick in the range Le Macaron. Let me give you a swatch of this shade. Okay. Ooh. So this is the shade. So this is from the Le Macaron range, and you have quite a bit of shade range in this. It's a pretty soft kind of shades, and first of all, the shade name is, the shade number is 820 and it's called as Praline de Paris. I think that's how you pronounce. It complements deeper skin tone, deeper girls. It becomes a nude for your lips. For me it looks a little bit more than a nude shade, but if you're of a deeper skin tone, it's gonna be a beautiful nude shade for you. I really love this lipstick, but the only drawback you have over here is it's a little bit sticky, but this is very long lasting, and it's very difficult for you guys to remove this lipstick from your lips. It doesn't dry your lips. It's a perfect liquid matte lipstick for winter season because it doesn't dry your lips and moisturizes your lips as it is, but it's very difficult to remove. After a minute of application, it's gonna set. Once set, it's not gonna move from your lips, it's not gonna transfer, so that's a beautiful thing. I have said a lot about this product, but first let me tell you the MRP. It retails for rupees 799 and I got it for rupees 400. Okay, that's all about the makeup. Let's straight away get into the skincare section. First let me show you my sheet masks. I have a lot of sheet masks. As you can see, I have 14 sheet masks from Face Shop. I will quickly go through our variants I have bought. So this was on offer as well. Actually, you have this option of spin the wheel sometimes on Nykaa, and to spin the wheel you get different offers until I get the offer I desire. So yeah, I got the offer and that is why I bought sheet mask. The offer was buy 7 get 7 free. This is actually a month of December. It's gonna be even cooler, and this is a time when your skin becomes very dry and it needs a lot of moisture. That is why I bought a lot of sheet masks. So the first one is calendula. Next I have red ginseng. Next I have avocado, rice. I have 2 of the tea tree variant, 2 of the aloe vera, 2 of the shea butter, the lotus, and 2 of the solution mask. It's the moisturizing variant. And the next product is not a skincare, actually it's a makeup brush. I forgot to show you this product. This is the pack 1 2 3 eyeliner brush. As you can see, it has precise tip and it's very good for drawing your wings and tracing out a thin line with your liquid or gel eyeliner. So this is for rupees 425, and this brush I did not get any kind of discount. So the next skincare item I have here is the major purchase. I bought it just to try it out. In my last Nykaa video I would have shown you Believe products, so I wanted to try Believe essence and also the Aqua Bomb. I got it for free, a little bit sample size, and I tried the Aqua Bomb. I really like that more than the full size product I got. So I just wanted to try whether Laneige is actually equivalent to the Aqua Bomb. Look at the price of the Aqua Bomb and the Laneige one, Laneige sleeping mask. The price difference is a little bit vast, so I thought why not try Laneige. If I like this, I would continue buying this and use it. So this is the Laneige water sleeping mask. This is the full size product. It is 70 ml of product. So this is how it looks like. Because of this product I got 2 sample products and I'm really happy with that, because I got one more Chotu Sa Laneige 15 ml ka sleeping mask. It's very tiny, as you can see, but this tub was full of product. Right now if you see, I have used this particular mask for almost 1.5 weeks, but still I have product in this 15 ml ka tub itself. So I think this will last me a long time because I am still having 70 ml of untouched product here. Once you apply this mask, it absorbs very quickly and gives that beautiful soft kind of feeling to your skin. So I really liked it. The second free product I got was 3 ml of Water Bank under eye cream. I didn't try the eye cream still. I just go with the Laneige sleeping mask underneath my eyes. That was quite enough for me. But yeah, this is one sample. And the last product I have over here is Laneige lip sleeping mask in the variant berry. This is not a full size product, it's just 8 gram mini size. It retails for rupees 500. This is how the lip sleeping mask looks like. It's very glossy, very moisturizing. I might buy the full size, and because I really love this product. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. See you on my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.